What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I go by The Rundown, and today we're going to make a custom Ghibli AI cartoon. All right, or some people would say anime. Here's our example. We're looking at this is the Chicago Bulls, Michael Jordan, Scottie Pippen, famous picture during the flu game. And this is a Ghibli cartoon that really stood out to me. So let's go ahead and create another one. Let's do Jazzy Jeff and the Fresh Prince. All right. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to find an image, whether it's them or it's an image of yourself, whoever it is, you're going to go ahead and reference it. So we'll grab this one as a reference. I'm going to go ahead and copy it. All right. And then we're going to go over to ChatGPT 4o. ChatGPT 4o. We're going to paste the reference. Again, it could be any photo or a photo of yourself, a family member, friend, girlfriend, whatever. All right, we're going to run the prompt. All right, I'm going to say create a Ghibli cartoon out of this photo. And just like that, you run the prompt, you give it about a minute, it's going to do its thing, and it is straightforward. So we're using ChatGPT 4o. This is the pro version, $20 a month. There is other tools out there that are also creating this. We'll talk about those in other videos, and then we'll also get into video animations in other videos as well. But this one is specific to creating a simple anime style cartoon. Okay, so ChatGPT 4o is getting started. Shouts out to our community right now that's tapped in, listening on Digital Workshop. Make sure you guys check out digitalworkshop.ai. It is our Telegram group where people are sharpening each other, learning AI, learning the future, and building with each other. All right. Make sure you guys check it out. Join our Discord, digitalworkshop.ai. All right. So as this image is being created, it's really, really cool to see all the advancements AI is making in just a small amount of time. Ladies and gentlemen, AI has been phenomenal. I advise you guys to check out some of the stuff I've been creating. I go by The Rundown on all platforms, and I post some of my stuff from time to time. I also post very often in the Digital Workshop as well. But as this image creates, I want to shout out some of the people in our Digital Workshop that's tuned in. Taz Ali, the Rap Tech, Greg, what's up? Patricia, what's going on? Dis Rico, what's going on? All right, I'll bring you guys up in just a second. I want to make sure I complete this so that the people see just how simple and easy it is to create one of these cartoons that has gone very, very viral. I mean, I'm seeing it all over Twitter. In fact, let me pull up Twitter again, or I should say X, right? X. So you can just simply search Ghibli and see all the advanced stuff people are making. Pretty cool. They're animating their cartoons as well. Like I said, we'll get into that in other tutorials, especially in the Digital Workshop Discord. Again, digitalworkshop.ai is where we are building and learning. All right, but let's get back to our Chat GPT to see if we are complete, and it is almost there. All right, almost. I mean, it's the Will Smith could be a lot better, but you know the beauty of AI creation is having a variety. So usually, I would crank out about 5 of these, right? And I guess ChatGPT is having some server issues. All right, but it's as simple as that, guys. We'll do a part 2. I'll break it all down. Hopefully, the load won't be as high on ChatGPT. But this is a live video, and you guys just saw me do a simple creation. We'll do a more advanced one. Make sure you guys subscribe. Don't miss out on these tutorials. Very fun, very simple, and easy to learn. Subscribe to the channel and tap in. Give it a like and follow, and we'll see you in the next video. Again, I go by the rundown. Thanks for watching.